And President Donald Trump has announced that U.S. and India have finalized a trade deal. Ahead of the announcement, Trump spoke to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The deal comes after several months of negotiations in which between the Trump administration and India, that Trump administration had levied a steep 50% tariff on Indian exports to the U.S. 25% of these tariffs were for India's crude oil trade with Russia. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said that the U.S. is reducing the reciprocal tariff from 25% to 18% out of friendship and respect for PM Modi. The U.S. president also noted that India would reduce tariffs and non-tariff barriers against the U.S. to zero. Now, following Trump's post, PM Modi took to X and expressed delight that Made in India products will now have a reduced tariff of 18%. Now, a White House official confirmed to ANI that Washington will also drop the additional 25% tariff on Indian imports imposed due to New Delhi's purchase of Russian oil, nothing that India has to cease, not just reduce Russian oil purchases. While Trump claimed that PM Modi had agreed to stop buying Russian oil and increase purchases from the United States and Venezuela, the Indian Prime Minister's statement made no mention of any such move. A comprehensive document laying out the details of the deal is still awaited. But U.S. Ambassador to India, Sergio Gore, confirmed to Indian media that the total tariff on India will be 18%. Now, this puts New Delhi at an advantage over its regional export rivals in South and Southeast Asia. India now faces lower tariffs than Indonesia at 19% and Bangladesh and Vietnam at 20%. It also holds a slight edge over Pakistan, where tariffs stand at 19%. The gap is much wider with China, which faces tariffs of 34%. The deal comes days after India and the EU announced what both sides call the mother of all trade deals. While European Union is India's largest trading partner as an economic bloc, US continues to be the single largest trading partner.